Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the unboxing of something new. So first let's open this product. Oh, this is a forehead thermometer. The product brand of this product is Omron, and it is Forehead Thermometer MC-720. It is fast non-contact forehead temperature measurement for all ages. So it has 3-in-1 measurement. It could take forehead temperature, room temperature, and surface temperature. It is all for healthcare. So now we are going to open this box. Okay, so this is the thermometer. The MRP of this thermometer is rupees 2,620 rupees, but from Amazon I got some discount, and I paid 1,799 rupees. In this, battery is also there. First we are going to open this. So from here, if we'll open this, then the battery will start working. As you could see, it started working, and if we want to off, then it will be automatically offed. Okay, so now the response time, if we measure the room temperature or any other temperature, then the response time will be only 1 second. And in this battery, inside there will be a battery already available, and the battery size is CR123A. The battery size is CR123A. It also has a user manual and warranty card that is inside the box. This is the user manual, and this is the warranty card. It is made in China, and it has few handful features, like it can do fast measurement, means 1 second reading, then it could save up to 25 readings, and then it also has backlight that lights during dark automatically, and Celsius and Fahrenheit is also switchable, and we could also set the silent mode. That means provides noise-free treatment, and it also has non-contact type. That means provides non-contact forehead temperature measurement. And now we are going to measure. By clicking on the on button, we could measure our temperature. So this is the screen when it displays. This is the screen when it displays blank. Now, after clicking the start, it will start measuring the forehead temperature. So an error occurred because I did not measure it properly. I'll measure it again. Yes, it is showing 36.7 Celsius. And We could also check the memory by clicking on the memory button here. So this is the memory 36.7 that I measured it just now. So I recommend you all to buy this product, and this is a very good product. It is very useful. So please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. Bye.